Hey guys, I'm here for a package opening. I'm not sure what it is. I think this is something I got my youngest for his birthday. I think it's that robot, that little robot thing. So I want to open it real quick, at least the outer packaging. It is the robot. Okay, hold on. And I also got him one of those chairs. It looks like a saucer and they sit in it. Um, they have something like it at, where was it? The McDonald's play area. Well, the package is a little bent, but it's one of those robots. If you look on, it's one of the robots. You put a card. There's different word cards. I don't want to open the whole thing, but when he opens it, I'll show you guys how it works. It draws the word and draws the picture for you. How cool is that? And if you get one, it's called the Quibox Kids Drawing Robot. It says, this is from the UK. I don't know. But anyway, it's really cute. You put the card in and he's really cute. He rolls around and draws for you. I think it was like 20 something. And on Amazon, they're like 40, 50, 60 bucks. Let me tell you. And I'm sure it's all made the same. Did I get it on AliExpress or Temu? Temu. It was $29.99. I'll show you a picture of it on here. So it comes with like the markers and they have a pink one if you have a daughter. I got them the white one and it does this. I just thought it was really cute. It draws it and like you can color it in. So it's, yeah, $29.99. And plus you pay the $2.99 shipping. But let me bring up the Amazon ones. It is a really good gift. Okay. They start at $39.99 on, that's the starting price on Amazon. Then there's one for $50, $49, $59. This one, which is the same exact thing. So I'll let you guys know how it works. I've seen them. One of the influencers I watch, her son has one and it's really cute. It's really cute.